Duplicate data, slowing down your analytics? Here's how to kick those copies to the curb, fast. Data deduplication is all about spotting and removing redundant records so every entry in your dataset is unique. Why bother? Because duplicates waste storage, mess up analytics, and can even lead to things like sending 2 emails to the same person. Awkward. So how do you handle deduplication in Spark? Start simple use for exact matches. Need to get specific? Pass in column names like to define what unique means for your dataset. Got records that are almost but not quite the same? Fuzzy matching using tools like Levenstein distance can help, but keep in mind it's more compute heavy. Pro tip: always back up your data before you start chopping, and deduplicate early in your pipeline. Want to see this in action with real code and project walkthroughs? Head over to www.projectspacelearning.com for hands-on guides and more tips. Clean data, faster insights, what's not to love?